Hello, friends. Welcome back to another informative video on business topics. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to make $3,000 per week. Money allows us to meet our basic needs, to buy food and shelter and pay for healthcare. Meeting these needs is essential, and if we don't have enough money to do so, our personal well-being and the well-being of the community as a whole suffer greatly. Let's start with the first way to make $3,000 every week. Sell things. One of the best ways to make $3,000 fast is by selling things from around your home. This could be pretty much anything, from clothes and accessories to furniture or electronics. Platforms and places where you can sell items: eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Poshmark, Craigslist. The second way is Freelance Services. With Freelance Services, you can make $3,000 in less than a week if you have the right connections. Of course, the amount you make will depend on your skill level and the type of writing you're doing. One of the most popular freelancing categories to make extra money: content writing, graphic design, web designing, video editing, social media management, content management. Another way to earn $3,000 is sell stuff you own. Selling stuff you own is one of the best ways to make $3,000 fast, and you have a lot of options for where you can sell your stuff. Few assets you can sell: real estate, a business you own, machinery, patents, your car, artwork, and online business. A great way to earn money online is to work as a virtual assistant. They help small businesses and entrepreneurs with a variety of tasks, from customer service to social media management and more. The pay for virtual assistant work can be really good. Some people make over $25 per hour. An outstanding way to make money passively: become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing involves referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platform, podcast, or website. There are many different ways you can build an audience, but some of the most common include social media, blogs or websites, email lists. A simple way to make $3,000 fast: start an online business. Starting an online business can generate you consistent income and doesn't require too many upfront costs to get your feet off the ground. And if you're talented at graphic design or making handmade items, you can easily start an e-commerce store within minutes. For example, you can try selling print-on-demand products on Etsy, which completely takes manufacturing and shipping components. Tips for making $3,000 fast: set a time frame. Decide just how quickly you need the money so you can pick a side hustle that makes the most sense. Try several ideas. Trying numerous gigs is the best way to find out which ones you enjoy and which ones pay the most. So don't be afraid to try making money with DoorDash, starting an online business, or branching into freelancing. Avoid burning out. Earning $3,000 fast is great, but it's important to pace yourself. This means getting enough sleep and not overworking yourself so you burn out. Hope this video is helpful for you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get regular updates.